What's up guys, Sportshot here. Today we're going to be going over Krunker patch 1.9.2. But before we do, you guys should definitely click the link in the description to join the 10,000 KR giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and then put your username into a Google Forms so I can draw from there, and then I'll give away 10,000 KR. Anyway, let's get on to the video. So the first update that they added is that you can now see everybody's ELO at the end of a match. You can see here highlighted in yellow is everybody's ELO right now. So you can see what it looks like after you get the changed ELO from the game. And also they fixed the random disconnection issue, although I am still having the disconnection issue sometimes, but it is mostly fixed. I haven't been having it as many times as I have before. And the last thing that they fixed with ranked matchmaking is that when you abandon a match, you used to have a 2-hour ban from ranked matchmaking. Now you only have a 1-hour ban, and then you also lose 16 ELO. So that was a pretty short update. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to join that 10,000 KR giveaway. Link is in the description. And if you guys want to know how to b-hop better, I will have my b-hop tutorial linked in the description as well.